So in the chapter of test and measurement, two portions are left, that is waste heap ratio and anthropometric measurement. In the waste heap ratio, good morning Vishal. In the waste heap ratio, first we measure two portion, that is waste circumference and heap circumference, because the waste heap ratio calculated by waste circumference by heap circumference, where we measure for the male person in the lower end of belly we measured the waist circumference, and in the place of hip joint we measured the hip circumference. Wait, I am taking the attendance. So in the that measurement will be measured by the measurement tape. By the measurement tape, first you measured the waist circumference, then you measured hip circumference. Suppose waist circumference, that measurement will be in centimeter. So if the waist circumference is 35 and hip circumference will 45, then the ratio will be 7 by 9 equal to 0.77 or 0.78. So if we calculate that ratio 0.77, then we get a chart that where we can identify what is the body structure or what is the waist hip ratio. Sir, I have missed my physical education exam due to the damage in router. I have informed the school head office, but they did not respond when they will give a date for the exam. Actually I don't know about that matter. It is better that you must ask from office that whether there is any re-examination or not. I think there is no re-examination, but you may ask there, they will answer about that matter. Okay. From the ratio we get a chart, separate chart for male and female, there will be, if any person in between 20 to 25 BMI, in between 20 to 25 BMI, if the ratio will get 0.85, below 0.85, then it will be low. If 0.85 to 1, it got moderate or average, and if it will be plus 1 or greater than 1, then it will be high. No need to remember that chart, but it is a chart where we get the result about from this ratio. Then we go to the anthropometric measurement. In anthropometric measurement, we can measure height, weight, length of the long bones, that means arms, long bone, upper bone or lower bone, and leg, long bone, upper leg and lower leg. How it will get? If we go for height measurement, there we must take a height measure bar. It looks like a bar, and in the end of bar there is a box where the person can stand with bare feet. Okay, if they said that they will inform you, so they must inform you. Okay, don't worry about their matter, they must inform you. Okay, still I am noting about your matter. I will talk to my principal sir, then if there is any news about that matter, you will confirm. Okay, where we stand bare feet, then at the end of your height, we can place a scale, straight scale or any straight object to measure your height, because that bar is marked in meter or foot also. In another portion, sometimes that bar will hold a state stand or state bar, which one is comfortable to get up and down. In that case, if the person stand in on the stand base of stand, then that object maybe get down and place at the end of your height, then that bar which measurement will indicated, that will be the height of that person. Then in the weight, for the matter of weight measure machine looks like a circle or a square or rectangular machine, where in front side there is a display, and in the back side they mark for standing purpose. Here also the person will stand in bare feet, and for the measurement of weight, he or she will wear lightweight clothes, then he or she will stand at the mark of stand, and when the measurement, that means weight, will display in the display of machine, that measurement will get for the weight of that person. This is weight and height measurement. Then the measurement of long bone, hands or legs, or arms or legs. We get two parts of our arms and legs: upper arms and lower arms. Upper arms from shoulder to elbow, and lower arms elbow to wrist. First we measured from shoulder to elbow with the measurement tape, that portion how long, and then the lower portion from elbow to wrist. With the same procedure, with the measurement tape, we can measure that both part of our arms. Then legs portion from hip to knee, upper legs, and knee to ankle joint, it's called lower leg. For the both purpose, we measured side. For measurement we can use side portion, because front portion and back portion can be covered by the big muscles. That's why the measurement will get little bit changes or little bit high. That's why we do not need to measure from back side or front side. We measure from side to side. Okay, so for the test and measurement part, we covered all the topics, and if you have any queries from that part, you can ask. From next day, we will start the another chapter, anatomy and physiology, fundamental of anatomy and physiology, where we can study about the various systems or various parts of our body, and what is the importance of anatomy and physiology in physical education. So it will start in our next class. If you don't have any queries, so I want to conclude that class here. Thank you so much.